Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. This season really offers that major comeback of beautiful, timeless, classic haircut with a modern twist. And these styles you can see are trending now. Like we have the Pixies, the Tapered, the Bald and boys cut, because these are haircuts that will give you that clean and polished appearance. And this kind of styles are for beautiful older women. One thing about this haircut today is that they are that ideal haircut for quick styling, which makes it more comfortable for older matured women. And one thing about this hair is that they create those natural movements and effortlessly frame your face. And you can see how it's a low maintenance short natural haircut that will create those great texture on the top of your head, which is perfect for fine or thin hair. One thing I love about this haircut today is that it's all about extra volume and texture. And this is a haircut that is a perfect balance of elegance and allure, because many women these days who really want that haircut that is particularly appealing, and this is the kind of style we need because they are truly amazing. So I just really love the practicality of the hair and its elegance. And you can see how the hair is a style that will instantly give your style that upgrade it needs. So this is a style that goes where even if you want to rock it with some glasses, it's a style that will get you ready to rock your new short natural haircut, and it will always give your face that framing it needs, because it's a style that is low maintenance cut and with the flattering silhouette and length. So with this in mind, I would like you to please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time here in Wendy Styles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.